Hey guys, before we get started on this video, please hit the subscribe button on your right hand side. So let's get started. I've done a few makeup reviews or makeup tutorials on how to do your makeup, but I haven't done one in a long time. So I am going to show you. This is all my makeup that I have. I'm a makeup junkie. I love doing makeup and hair. If you like doing makeup or hair, push like and also subscribe. I'm trying to get more subscribers, but I'm gonna start with my every day look. So if you want to see this, keep on watching. Okay, so I start with the Wet n Wild foundation, and I put it, I'm going to be looking, if you see me looking up like this, that means I'm looking in a mirror. So I put here, 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 and here, and on my nose. Then I take this brush. It is magic to me. I love this brush. And all I do is rub the foundation in. Just like that. And I get it over my eyes and underneath my chin. On my nose. There is part one. Then after I put the liquid foundation on my face, like I showed you before, I use this Wet n Wild powder on my face. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I use the white one mostly, and I just rub it on my face like this. Oh, I just got it all over my shirt, and I'm about to leave. So I do 3 powdered foundations on my face because I think it blends better. And each of them are a different product. This one is by Wet n Wild, and the other one is the same but a different color. So just rub it in. So you want to do here, 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 and here, but I just rub it all over and here, just like the liquid. So, I'm gonna have to rub it off my shirt. So, and then where's the other one? It's a little bit darker. It's LA Colors powder, or pressed powder. And it comes with a little sponge, but I don't like using the sponge. This is what it looks like. So I put this one on, just like the other ones. Just like that. make sure it's all blended in. I don't know if you can see how different my face looks. I'll bring up the camera closer at the very end. And then this head candy stuff I did a review on. It is amazing. So this is the last foundation that I use. So you just go like this, the same way. And sometimes during the day, if I'm sweating or something, it does rub off, but usually I put more. So I need to find a foundation or a powder that will stay on 24 hours. So if you guys have any recommendations, please put them down below in the comment box. So, see how it's like glowing? I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but that's how I put my foundation on. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So it's a process for me. I start with this gray one. It's white, dark gray, and gray. Sorry, I'm kind of on a time limit. So I take the white one and I take the gray one, and I use my finger for the eyeshadow stuff. I don't use a brush, and it works really well. So I just put it like this. Just like that. And do it again. And then I do the darker one. Sorry, I'm like looking up in the mirror. Okay, and then I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I take, not this one, where is this? I do not know. I thought I had the one. Okay. So, I'm going to have to leave one out. I will be back. Now for the mascara, I am going to be looking up in the mirror and I will show you guys what it looks like at the end. I put it down below, and if I get too much, then I usually use a Q-tip to get the rest of the stuff off. Just like this. Sorry, I had to look up. So, there you have it. I put my mascara on. So there you have it. This is the final look on how I do my makeup every day. So if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and keep watching.